wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best electric knives. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, we hesitate to say the Proctor Silex 74311 Easy Slice will last you through more than 1 or 2 holiday seasons, as many users have experienced an early failure, but it is one of the most affordable options and can get the job done in a pinch. It also works well for cutting foam, however it feels a little flimsy, and the handle is very bulky. At number 9, from freshly baked loaves to large roasts, the Maximatic EK570B Elite Cuisine can cut it all. Its convenient eject feature jettisons the blades simply, allowing you to clean them when needed and minimizing the chance of injury from trying to pull them out. It comes with a one-touch pressure-activated switch, but some find the handle too thick, and its overall durability is questionable. Coming in at number 8 on our list. If you don't plan on using yours too often and just want something affordable that can get the job done periodically, the Hamilton Beach carve set is probably what you're looking for. Most users find it makes cutting thin, uniform slices easy. It doesn't crush fresh bread. However, note that the blades must be hand-washed and it can overheat with extended use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for electric knives, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Hamilton Beach Chrome Classic comes as a set that includes a carving fork and a storage case. Most will find its curved handle, which is neither overly thick nor too thin, easy to grip comfortably, even if you need to cut through multiple roasts in a row. It offers a smooth reciprocating action and doesn't make too much noise, but the blades aren't very strong. Moving up our list to number 6, the Rapala hdefacsc is said to have twice the blade speed and thrice the power of other models. And while we don't know if that's categorically true, we can say that it does cut impressively quickly, so you'll make short work of filleting fish of all sizes. It can slice through back and rib bones and includes a convenient 8-foot cord and a small carving fork. Halfway up our list at number 5, the American Angler Pro Sportsman's Kit comes with everything you need to clean and fillet a fish, no matter how tough its scales or skin may be. The set includes 5 different sizes and styles of blade, plus a glove to keep your hands safe. It stays cool during use and its hollow ground edges stay sharp. Of course, it also works well for meats. At number 4, the nutrichef PKELKN16 produces nice consistent slices, so you won't have to worry about accidentally ruining that turkey you spent hours roasting or that just baked bread, and it barely requires any pressure, making it very easy on the wrist. It comes with an attractive wood storage block and sturdy stainless steel blades. It feels lightweight in the hand. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the wearing commercial WEK200 may be pricey, but like everything else this company makes, it's also high quality, so there's no reason it won't last through years of regular use. It offers a comfortable grip and has a cordless design for unfettered maneuverability. It's equipped with a helpful integrated LED, a battery that lasts a long time, and a heavy-duty case. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for electric knives, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, affordable and effective are the best 2 words to describe the Black & Decker EK500B. It's available in either black or white cordless model, has a 9-inch long blade, and features a safety lock to ensure it never accidentally turns on when you don't want it to. It cuts quickly and evenly and is made with dishwasher-safe components and convenient grab tabs on the blades. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Cuisinart CEK40 complements most kitchen decor thanks to its attractive wooden storage rack. It includes 2 blades, 1 for meat and 1 for bread, so you'll be ready to tackle any cutting task that comes your way. It features well-placed release buttons and a comfortably contoured handle. You can store it standing or in a drawer. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for electric knives, or simply click beneath this video.